Alrighty, this is going to be a simple tutorial on how to create smooth slow motions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So obviously I'm not going to waste your time, just like in last on some of my videos I speak for too long. So yeah, first obviously you need the clip to be edited. So for example I have this clip right here. As you can see, this is in full 100% speed, normal speed, and we're going to convert it to smooth slow motion. So first of all, what we're gonna do is right click right here. Wait a second, let me zoom so that you can see it clearly. Right click, then choose speed slash duration, and first step, the most crucial step, is click here and select optical flow. Once done, you can adjust the speed as much as you want. I prefer around 40% for slow motions. You can even reduce that. Alright, I'm not going to use sound because obviously in slow motion videos you are not going to use sound because that would look so bad. So I'm going to remove sound. Alright, so once done, let me play it for once. As you can see, the FPS is quite choppy and it doesn't look good. Let's solve this. So first, go to the start of your clip, press I on your keyboard, then something should like this should show up, and then go to the end of your clip and press O. Okay, so a clip should be highlighted this way, and then go to sequence, go to render into out, and then what it's gonna do is render all the frames and make the video smoother. So let's wait for this to complete. Alright, once rendering is done, as you can see, the video is so smooth, and you can even see the side-by-side comparison on how it looked after reducing the speed but without rendering, and after rendering you can see significant improvement in FPS. Let me play this again so that I can clarify everything you want to. As you can see, we are getting decent frames, and you can even reduce the speed. You need to render it again, but I guess that's acceptable. Alright, so I guess this video helped you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more quality videos like this, and it's me signing off. See you later. Goodbye.